What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where the 2021 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 has been revealed. Yes, the Hemi V8 is now in the 2021 Jeep. Now, when Jeep tried to crash the Ford Bronco's debut celebration with the V8 powered 392 concept, well, the world knew it was just a matter of time before it went into production. That time is now, as the cover is officially lifted from the first factory V8 powered Wrangler in upwards of 40 years. The Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 is here and it's ready to tear up the asphalt as well as the sand, dirt, rocks, trails, and possibly egos of Ford Bronco owners. Now, for starters, here's the juicy information you've been waiting for. Yes, the production ready Rubicon 392 is pretty much the 392 concept you met back in the summer. Now, there are a few differences, starting with the 6.4 liter 392 cubic inch naturally aspirated Hemi V8 wedged under the hood. It's the same mill from the concept, but power is up from 450 horsepower to 470 ponies. Now, torque is also up to 470 pound-feet, which Jeep says is enough for the Wrangler to reach a 60 mile per hour from a standstill in just 4.5 seconds. Take it to a drag strip, yes, a Wrangler at the drag strip, and it will do a quarter mile in 13 seconds flat. Now, apparently, Jeep expects some 392 owners to partake in such activities. The engine is connected to an 8-speed auto with paddle shifters, and that's the first for the Wrangler, and it breathes through an active exhaust system that opens valves automatically under full throttle or manually with the driver's whim. Now, torque reserve is a type of launch control for pavement antics that allows the Rubicon 392 to make the move of solid pavement grip accessible during the brake torque launch. Now, AMAX shifting makes the most of engine torque and cog swabs, and if it sounds familiar, it is also used on the Hellcat powered Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. Now, however, the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 isn't designed to be a pavement-only showpiece. Like the concept, it benefits from a 2-inch increase on the ride height. And the frame rails are also upgraded, and it utilizes the upgraded suspension with unique geometry, Fox shocks, upper control arms, and heavy-duty brakes. It comes standard with the 33-inch tire, B-lock capable 17-inch wheels, and as a result, Jeep says the approachable departure and breakover angles are improved. Now, the Rubicon 392 can also wade through 32.5 inches of water despite the gaping hood scoop feeding the air into the big Hemi V8. It also uses a hydro guide air intake system with tri-level ducting that directs water away from the mill even if waves break over the hood. Additionally, should the hood get covered in mud, as it often happens in the Wrangler world, the air inlet system will still function safely even if the driver demands full throttle. Speaking of which, the Rubicon 392 gets a full select track 4-wheel drive system with a 2.72 low range gear ratio. 4 selectable modes include 4-wheel drive auto, 4-wheel drive high, neutral, and 4-wheel drive low. Dana 44 front and rear axles have thicker axle tubes, and for sticky off-road situations, electronic locking differentials and electronic disconnect for the front sway bar are still there. Furthermore, Jeep says that nearly all the Hemi V8's torque is available very low in the rev range for gentle crawling over rough terrain. Going downhill, a 48:1 ratio crawl means that the driver can use the Hemi's displacement as an effective engine brake. Now, visually, the Rubicon 392 wears badges, special wheels, and there's a hood with a big scoop. The grille is also optimized to better cool the V8, and a new instrument cluster for the interior properly conveys the significantly increased performance capabilities delivered by the engine. Rubicon 392 branding is also found inside the seats, and it comes standard with a plethora of features and leather trim. Also, the infotainment group, safety and advanced feature groups, body colored hardtop, and other items normally optional. Mopar will also offer a wide range of accessories, especially for the Rubicon 392, because of course it will. Now, Jeep doesn't specifically say if the Rubicon 392 is only available in 4-door trim, but the stats for the off-roader reflect the 4-door capabilities. Jeep also doesn't mention a price, but it's safe to bet this will be the most expensive Wrangler in the lineup. Right now, that honor goes to the Wrangler High Altitude at just under $50,000, so $60,000 really isn't out of the question. So what do you guys think about the Hemi V8 in the Jeep 392 for 2021? And paddle shifters on a Jeep, thought I'd never see the day. With that said, let me know what you guys are thinking down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on a new 2021 Jeep Rubicon 392. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, in case you guys want to donate a couple of dollars $5 to the channel. Your support means the most. I also have a Patreon in case you guys want to be a monthly subscriber, or you can check out the Ron's Rise merch where I got Ron's Rise t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, everything Ron's Rise, and half off all this month of November when you use the coupon code BLKNOV. That is Black November, Black Friday sales all this month. Now with that said, make sure you guys check me out on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. I post car memes, pictures, and videos that don't always make it here to the channel. And subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you get these Ron's Rise news videos to your inbox and you do not miss one. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise news video. Peace.